Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for the HERME brand black and white logo. And when you get the link, you're going to be directed to this page, hit use template, and that will bring you into your own Canva account. So if you haven't already, please start with the HERME color logo tutorial. And that is where we teach you all the tips and tricks of how to customize this logo for yourself. This tutorial is just to explain how to use your black HERME logo. So once you've made all the changes in your color logo, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make the same changes to this file, or you're gonna take your color logo file, head over to File, and hit Make a Copy, which is right here. And once you've made that copy, what you can do is then go ahead and rename it. So you're going to name it HERME Black, and then you're going to go ahead and change all of the elements that you've changed in the first tutorial to black. And the reason why you want a black logo in your arsenal of assets is because sometimes you will need a black and white option, meaning when you're promoting something or you are sponsoring an event, let's say, and the company asks you for a black logo file because they can't print it in color. Whenever this happens, whether it's in a newspaper or print marketing or sponsoring something, there will be a time that you will be asked for a black logo, and this just saves you the trouble of having to come into Canva when that time comes and trying to change everything at once at that time. It's also great to have a dark version of your logo for things like social media. So sometimes you'll have a really white, bright room and you want to be able to put your logo on top of that white, bright room, but the colored version, regardless of what color you have chosen, just doesn't work. So when I head over to photos, I'm going to try to find a photo of something super white. Let me just say white room. Bring that in, and you can see right away how gorgeous this looks over a white canvas. But if my color is something like this, it's hard to see and it gets lost in the background, and sometimes it's just really good to have a dark version of your logo that you can turn to when you need it. So when you're downloading your logo, once you've made all your changes like you did in the original document, you're just going to head over to download, and then download the PNG file will give you a transparent background, and the PDF will give you a high quality print version that you can send to places like that you're sponsoring or whatever the case may be. If you want to make the changes directly in this, you're more than welcome to. But the quickest way is to head over to make a copy of the colored version, and then you just apply all the changes that you've made. You just change everything to black, and then you have a black version of your logo. Now, if you need any help with anything else, please feel free to head over to fourthstreetcreative.com/tutorial, and we have a large resource library there that teaches you how to do everything. And make sure to head over to the HERME resources so that you learn how to use the pattern and the icons. And please, if you haven't already, start off with the HERME color and you will learn how to make this logo your own. Happy designing!